Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Let's continue to the cloud accounting software. Now we just registered to the software, and now we will log in to the cloud software. Here use username, and this is your login link you will get after registering with them in their website. So just click next and you will have the password, of course, and give the password, then login. You will see this interface when you first land here, and as you can see, you are newly registered with them with the software website, and there is no business available here, no company name available here. So whatever you don't know anything about this right now, but you want to start cloud accounting here as a freelancer on behalf of your client. Just you can click here at the business. You can see the two options, the create new business and import business. A create new business means you are just register with them. You don't have any data in manager software. Import business is for those who used to use the manager software of the desktop version. Now they are converting to the cloud version, so they will have the data in the desktop version. Now they can import business data from the desktop version to the cloud version. And if you don't have, you will go this option, create new business. So we don't have any data in manager software before, so we want to use this one, create new business. And now you can set the business name. So we will set the business name, let's say fashion 7A fashion limited. It produces garments item like shirt, t-shirts, and many other things, many other garments items here as the garments and accessories factories are available here in Bangladesh. So we will use this example in this software, how they can manage their the business data, business operation using cloud accounting software. So country, we will select country the automatic because Bangladesh is not available here, as you can see. So country is let's create new business. Click. When you click on the new business, this is the first time you are seeing the interface of this cloud version. After registering to them, you will have this interface, which is actually blank balance sheet. As you can see, the left side and the right side have the some default accounting head available, which are common to many businesses like accounting fee, advertising, bank charge. These head are default by default here by the system, because these are the common to many of the almost all the businesses you have. You may have accounting fees, expenses, advertising expenses, bank expenses, and computer equipment, of course, entertainment. These are common to the all of the. That's why they are here as the default accounting expense head actually. So now what you will do, you don't have any data in this software. As an accountant, as an accounts manager, CFO, when you see this, then you can be confused how we will fetch our business data to here. Now what you have to do is just go to the setting and you will get the chart of account. The chart of account is most important for a business when you set up or migrate the software data. So chart of account is so important, and you should do it with experienced accountant. At the time of starting the cloud accounting software, many things will be easier for your office staffs or operational staffs to use this software. Otherwise, they will just mess the accounts or business information in the account software. So you have to very careful when you prepare or when you set up the chart of account of your business for a new software, or whether it is cloud software or it is in-house bespoke software in your company. chart of account is too important. So you will get the chart of account. Before doing that, we will add some tab here. Just click the customize. Customize. You will have the many options here. Many options you can use in this software. So let's see which we can pick up from here. Bank and cash accounts, we must need this one. The receipt payment, of course you have to pay and receive from customer. So you will need these options, and there are bank reconciliations. We will ignore the expense like right, and of course the customers sales invoice. If you want sales quotation, if sales quotes means quotation or estimate, which you can provide to your customer, estimating the products pricing required by the customer. So you can use the quotation from this software. You don't need to generate quotation separately. You can generate it from this software. And of course credit note, if your customer return your products, so you have to use this credit note to adjust the amount. And we will skip the tax and payroll option here. These are crucial and difficult. Not these are crucial. You have to set the rules of the tax according to the tax law in your respective country. So delivery notes use to your customer while delivering the products and goods, and inventory items and production. Of course production, inventory and production are of course and essential for your business, for especially for manufacturing company. So inventory and production, we will tab the inventory and production tab. Employees, you can use payslip to pay your employees or salary, pay the salary to the staff. And fixed asset depreciation, and okay, update. There are so many options, as you can see. There are so many options you can use, and this is total package of your accounting solution. When these are the features you have to use to record your business transactions. Say, let's say bank cash and bank, you can see the payment and receive. When you receive anything, you will use receive tab. You will, when you pay something to your supplier or for any expense, business expense, you will use this tab, payment. I'll create video tutorial for the purchase and payable management, sales and receivable management, how to add customers, how to add suppliers here. I will give you the idea, the production management and inventory management in this software, which is very important for manufacturing company. You can manage your production process information here, and then you can get the finished goods price. You can get the price of the finished goods you produced in your factory. So this process is really in advanced level. You will need the actually experienced accountant to use these advanced features of this software. So I'll give idea of all these things. Okay, and now we will create. Let's create and set up the chart of account for a company who produce garments item. And as you can see, balance sheet is still there are no accounting head right now. We will add here the expense. Let's say you want to add your manufacturing expenses ledger, say expenses ledger. Okay, manufacturing expenses accounting head. You may have the okay, direct level cost, direct level Grade level, if you want to use code, which you can start from for expense 1001. I will just leave it right now. Then you have to categorize that it is expense, of course, and the cash flow is operating expense, okay, and the create one. And then now you can see that this accounting ledger have been added to the expense, as you can see. Create level. Now you want to segregate the expenses into manufacturing expense and administration expense, and you may have the finance expense, and of course the tax expenses. You want to segregate your income statement or a statement of profit or loss to these major heads. So you can just you can go to the new group. Let's say set of the chart of account again. As you can see, these are the default items already here, but you want to customize your head of accounts, your chart of accounts here. So how you will do it, you just go to the new group. A new group means you may segregate the expenses into you may want to segregate your manufacturing expenses, administration expenses, and the finance expenses. So you may create new group, and just name it manufacturing expenses, and categories type is expense type. Create another. You may have the finance expenses for your business loan interest, and create another. Okay, create it. You may change this default. It was expense, I just rename it to the administration expense. So this default head of the system. So I recommend that you don't delete any accounting ledgers, accounting head from the system. So you may face a problem in next stages if you delete any system default accounting head. You may change it as you desire. You may change it to anything. So these are the major heads: administration expenses, manufacturing expenses, finance expenses. You may have more and more counting ledgers for your manufacturing expenses or manufacturing overhead. So you want to record those expenses under manufacturing expenses. So you may create the subsidiary ledger under the manufacturing expenses, a new account, and let's say direct level. Categorize it to the manufacturing expenses, and create another. You may have factory, electricity. And you will of course have factory gas expenses. Gas expense. You may have bonus for your worker. You will have repair and maintenance for your factory machineries. Okay. Click here. You may have other overhead. Actually, you may have hundred of accounting. It doesn't matter. You can add one by one, or you can add as a bulk from the Excel sheet.